Hi lovebugs, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it is very special because it is sponsored by Walmart. In today's video, we will be showing you how to use the new Walmart baby registry. And since I did already have my baby shower, we are going to be using the registry to find all the items I will need for my hospital bag because this little girl is coming and she's coming soon. So I brought my mom with me, of course, because I have no idea what I'm gonna need. I'm a first-time mom and she's not new to this game. She knows all the tips and tricks. She knows what's good, what's not good. So she's gonna help me out.
I've been in the game a long time.
So we're gonna make sure to get everything to make sure I'm comfortable, baby's comfortable, daddy's comfortable, grandma's comfortable, everything like that. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is download the Walmart app in the App Store. I'll leave a link down below in the description box, and this is going to be your in-store assistant. Once you've downloaded the app, you're going to go ahead and click Services, and it'll pop up all that Walmart has to offer. Then you're going to go ahead and click Baby Registry right here. We're going to press Get Started. When is your little one expected to arrive? So, June 17th. Aw, how cute! Is it a little boy or a girl? So I'm gonna say girl. Which nursery style do you like the most? Which one do you think, babe?
I'm thinking modern.
Modern? She's a modern girl? Please add your state to make your registry easy to find. Awesome, that was really easy. We filled your registry with the best items for a new baby. You can edit it, share it with friends, or make it visible in search on walmart.com. Awesome, so they already put like a bunch of stuff for you to kind of get you started, which is a huge help if you're a first-time mom. Okay, so like I said, since we already did our baby shower and everything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and find the items best for the hospital bag that I'm gonna be taking with the help of my mom and the Walmart app. Okay, so the first thing that I'm definitely gonna wanna pack is nursing bras because I do plan on breastfeeding. And the cool thing about the app is it even shows you what aisle it's on and if it's in stock in your local store or not.
Which helps a lot.
Some seamless high cut panties for after delivery so I can be super comfortable. So next on the list is slippers. So let's find some slippers.
Comfy slippers.
And they're on aisle C20.
C20.
So the next items that I'm gonna look for are clothes that I'm gonna wear once I'm leaving the hospital, which I wanna be super comfy. So I'm gonna go ahead and look up like yoga pants and sweatpants, which will be on aisle B33.
So now we're gonna find some nipple cream because they'll be very sore
and cracked.
And when the baby starts to feed, you don't want it to hurt even worse.
So we have a lot of options. Most of them are in the $5 range. I think I want to try this one out. So next I'm definitely going to be getting hand sanitizer, a little travel size one, because babies, their immune systems are still really weak when they're born, and I don't want no germs all over my little girl. So I think I'm gonna pick up some of these poise, is that how you say it? Poise pads. It says it's level 5 of maximum, you know, I guess hold or strength, but it's also 12 hours of protection as well, and I just feel like these thicker pads are gonna be way more helpful, and since they're pretty long, it's gonna cover me from front to back, and that's what I need. Bugs, we just finished our shopping now. So overall, what did y'all think of the app?
I think it was nice, smooth, and easy to use. It was cool how like directed you straight to the aisle that you
Yeah,
needed to be in.
which makes it really, really easy for like if you're buying like off the registry, so much easier to just walk in and already know where you need to get going, because I know shopping takes forever. And I think it was really awesome because for first time moms, since on the app it does show you like already some of the items that like a lot of people buy for their babies, it's like it's like helping you, you know, if you don't have somebody that's like there to direct you on which diapers are the best, you know, which wipes are the best, the app shows you everything, which is perfect.
Oh, and it was crazy because it was super quick to set up. Like we
Yeah.
thought we were gonna set it up inside the store with the customer service or whatever, and they're like, no, just go on the app and then bam, bam, bam. Like,
It was literally like 5 seconds to create an account and everything. So make sure you love bugs, stay tuned for part 2 of this video where I'm gonna be in my nursery showing you everything that I got in detail inside my hospital bag, because I do have some items already in my hospital bag that I didn't get today, and I really want to show you guys everything that I got. So leave me a comment down below on what you bought in your hospital bag, and if you like some of the items that we got as well today. What do you recommend? Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.